Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by importing your clip and making a duplicate layer to protect the original. Once done, trim to the cleanest section where the subject is isolated and pick a single reference frame for masking. You'll create a manual mask on the working layer using a feathered path to follow the silhouette. Make sure to use a 1/2 or proxy resolution if playback lags. This speeds tracing. As you go, save incremental versions so you can roll back easily. Now you perform the detailed rotoscope pass. You trace the subject every 2 to 4 frames and set keyframes so the software interpolates intermediate positions. This reduces workload but still needs tweaks. Once traces exist, refine the edge with a small feather, 3 to 10 pixels depending on resolution, and adjust the matte contrast to tighten edges. If hair or translucent clothing shows artifacts, add secondary masks and animate them separately. Play the clip regularly to catch slipping edges and correct before moving on. Finish by placing the masked foreground over the replacement background and color match using levels and curves so lighting feels consistent. Once composited, render a short test clip with an alpha channel if you need further tweaks in a compositor. If you see edge flicker or popping, add more mask keyframes around the trouble area or apply a small temporal blur to smooth transitions. Finally, export full quality and review at full resolution. Reopen the project to fix any subtle artifacts before final delivery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.